What is going on, my good old friends of YouTube? It's your boy Stas here. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to yet again another video. Cheers. I hope you guys have some coffee and are ready for this video because look, we have 5 oversold stocks to break down. We're going to go over the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're so close to 50,000 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate all your support as always. And now let's get into it. So we're going to dive right into it. Stock number 1 is ticker symbol TAP. And by the way, guys, actually, before we dive into the first stock, take a look at how green the market was yesterday. I mean, guys, we're heading into this new week after a crazy green day on Friday. The S&P went up 1.2%, Russell up 1.6%, Dow went up 0.8%, and I think QQQ, 1.6% in the green as well. So, man, we crushed it on Friday, and I'm pumped to see how Monday goes. And despite the green day on Friday, even though we had a crazy green day, we do have a lot of stocks that are still a bit oversold. Let's get into it. The first one is ticker symbol TAP, which on Friday went down 3.4% in the midst of that nice green day, and this stock has been going down. We hit $64 a couple of weeks ago. We double topped there, and now we're all the way down to $55. And by the way, guys, we're still holding an uptrend, are we not? We're holding this channel. We're very oversold, pretty obvious, and now we're down about 13 to 14% from the recent high. And by the way, I mean, this stock was crushing it, guys, in 2024 to wrap up the year. I mean, it wasn't a great start to 2024, but to wrap up the year, we went from $49 in the middle of 2024 back in June all the way to $65 by pretty much the end of the year. Not bad. I mean, this stock ran up a good chunk. Now we're a bit oversold, and really, I'm just looking to see, guys, if we see a continuation play here. Will buyers come in on ticker symbol TAP around $55? Will we get the push back to 56, 7, higher than that? And if so, we might start making this move back to the top of the channel. The uptrend might continue, and we could find ourselves back to $60 plus fairly quickly, in my opinion. Big if, we get the buyers to come in at $55, $56 per share. So that is the first one, ticker symbol TAP. The second one is XEL. This is Xcel Energy. This stock is down from $73 just about a month ago, a little over a month ago. Now we're at $66 per share, down about 9%, on the cusp of correction territory. And while we're down, we're still holding an uptrend. It looks pretty good on this chart. We're above the moving average. Actually, we're slightly under on second thought. On second glance, we're a little under these moving averages. But, guys, I mean, this could easily pop right back over. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, we're still holding an uptrend. You guys see it. We're at a higher low right now on XCL. And sure, if it fell through, let's say, 65, under $60, all right, that's a complete break in trend, no doubt. But right now, guys, earnings are coming up. We're within this channel, very much holding an uptrend. Let's see if buyers come in here on XCL around 66, 67. Let's see if we get that recovery back over these moving averages on the 4-hour chart. And that could signal a breakout, momentum for the bulls. So I'm going to set my alert at $68 per share right now. Mark is at or above, and we'll see if we're able to get out of there and start the push towards 70, maybe even higher. So that is number 2, ticker symbol XEL. And Goldman Sachs is another one I'm watching, ticker symbol GS. They're, I think, reporting earnings soon. The banks are kicking off here in a couple weeks, actually less than 2 weeks. On the 16th, we have Goldman Sachs, and this chart looks really good. I mean, a lot of the bank stock charts look really good. Goldman Sachs looks great. The stock was at $613 not too long ago, about a month ago. We then sold down to about 550. Buyers came in. Beautiful. We held a higher low. And since that point, we've been fighting, right? You guys see it right here. Bulls have been fighting, climbing. Now we're at 580. So we're not down much from the recent high. We're down about, what, 5%? That's not much at all. And it looks like, guys, we're about to test the highs from the end of last year, right? 580, 585. We're pretty much right there. And if this breaks on Goldman Sachs, in my opinion, guys, I think we're going back 600 plus. No problem. Maybe even before earnings. And if earnings crush after earnings, no doubt, I think, in my opinion, not guaranteed, I think we go over 600. So Goldman Sachs, GS, looks great on the charts. Not as, I guess, oversold as maybe some other ones we're going to talk about today, but still very much worth watching. Goldman Sachs, ticker symbol GS. My alert, actually, I almost forgot to put it. Let me put my alert at 585. Let me do that now, guys. 585. Mark is at or above. And then WBD, also known as Warner Brothers Discovery. I'm watching this one. But first, guys, actually, before we break down the charts on WBD, did you get your free stocks? Your free stocks for Moomoo? Did you guys? Did you do it? Use that link down below. If not, if you didn't do it yet, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. So, guys, 15 free stocks right there. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. I mean, guys, this deal is the best deal right now. It's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to StockSurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your free stocks. And now let's continue on here. So Warner Brothers Discovery, WBD, has been on fire. Well, I guess not really in the last 2 weeks of trading, 2-3 weeks. But before that, it was on fire. The stock broke out of 850, 875. That was a multi-month resistance. We broke out of it, and we ran all the way to 1270. I mean, guys, that was a ridiculous run. Unbelievable, 45%. And since that point, guess what? You guessed it. This stock has cooled off from 1270 to 1050. We're down about 15%, and this could go one of two ways. Look, hear me out. There could be a head and shoulders here playing out, potentially, right? That would be scenario one. Not ideal in this scenario, right? Or not ideal if you're a bull. I mean, this could be a head and shoulders. There is a chance the right shoulder plays out here and we fill the gap right back down to $859. That could happen. That could happen for sure. But if we break out of this neckline right here, this resistance, which, by the way, we've been consolidating at about 1050, 1075 for a good, 2 weeks? If we're able to break out of here, which that was also resistance in the end of November, early December as well, if we're able to get out of there, guys, this could rip right back to 12. Momentum could build up right back to 12, maybe 1250, maybe higher than that. So I'm going to set my alert for now at 1075. We'll see what it does there. And actually, I'll do another one. I'll put one at $11 as well. Might as well do that. Let me do that. Let's do that. I just said that like 10 times. There we go. Mark is at or above $11. So, yeah, keep your eyes on it. Let's see if we break out of that neckline. There could be a lot more upside. And the last stock for the video, guys, which if you stuck till the end, I appreciate you all. As always, run the likes up. If you haven't hit that like button yet, make sure to subscribe here on YouTube and join the email list. By the way, guys, I send out my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. I do a little write-up, and it's free. Check it out, linked down below. So Procter & Gamble is reporting earnings pretty soon here, I think in 2 weeks. A little less, actually a little more than 2 weeks. But either way, we can all agree this stock is way oversold heading into earnings. And it's not like it's down like 100, or not 100%, but it's not like it's down 30% or something crazy from recent highs. It's down about 8%, 9%, barely in correction territory. And the chart looks good. The uptrend is holding. We just have to wait for the reversal, the confirmation of the reversal of a bounce of buyers coming in, which we're not getting yet. I mean, look, going back to that 4-hour chart, clearly we're holding this uptrend, no doubt in my mind, but we're not getting the buyers yet, man. We had a red day on Friday, 0.5% red day in the midst of a nice day for the stock market. We just have to get the confirmation. So, in my opinion, guys, we're going to have to wait till $170 breaks on Procter & Gamble at least. That's at least what I'm doing before I take a trade on this. So I'm going to set my alert at $170 per share. Mark is at or above. And yeah, let's see if that level breaks. 175, 180. That's where we could be going. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you all found value. Trade at your own risk. I'm not telling you to go buy these stocks or do anything crazy. Do your own research. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And do not forget to snag up those free stocks for Moomoo. Once you open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.